Okay, here we got a odd chainsaw toy I found. Kind of looks like the saw off at maybe the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's a different saw, that's for sure, or saw toy, I'm sorry to say, but it's almost near the right size. Smaller, replica. I think that's what they're trying to reproduce here, or pioneer, or replica probably, but anyways, it does all the noises and the chain moves and all that type of jazz. I don't know, it's different, that's for sure. Kind of wish it didn't have all the blood splatter on it, but I don't know. Different saw. Probably end up selling it.